We provide you the platform to turn your dreams into reality. Give wings to your aspirations with KR Mangalam University.
41 साल बाद भारत के शुभांशु शुक्ला आज इतिहास रचने वाले हैं। शाम 4:30 बजे इंटरनेशनल स्पेस स्टेशन में कदम वो रखेंगे और इससे पहले उन्होंने एक बार फिर मैसेज जारी कर संदेश दिया है।
Namaskar from space. I'm thrilled to be here with my fellow astronauts, as Peggy said, 1 veteran and 3 rookies, and wow, what a ride it was. Frankly, when I was sitting in the capsule in Grace yesterday on the launch pad, my only thought in my mind was that let's just go. After 30 days of quarantine, it was a feeling that I just wanted to go. Excitement and all was, probably far away. It was just the feeling that let's just leave here. But when the ride started, it was something like you getting pushed back into the seat. It was an amazing ride. And then suddenly, nothing. Everything silenced, and you were just floating. You unbuckle, and you were just floating in the silence of vacuum. It was an amazing feeling. I wanted to take this opportunity to thank everyone who has been a part of this. I understand that this is not a personal accomplishment. It is a collective achievement of each and every one of you who has been a part of this journey, and to make this possible, I really want to thank each one of you. Also to family and friends, your support has mattered so much. This is so much because of all of you guys. We showed you joy and grace. This is Swan, a great symbol. It looks really cute, but we have a very important swan in our Indian culture, which we are about. Swan symbolizes wisdom. It also has the ability to discern needs to be focused on and what does not. So basically, the golden age of distraction, I would say. So this means a lot more, not just a zero-G indicator for us. And I think that we all have symbolism in Poland and in Hungary, in India as well. So I think this looks like a coincidence, but it is not. That it has more meaning than what we are attaching it to it.
जहाँ भक्ति है हर शब्द में, कथाओं में छुपे हैं दिव्य रहस्य और ज्योतिष देता है जीवन को दिशा। धर्म से जुड़ी हर बातों को जानने के लिए हमारे चैनल स्तुति को सब्सक्राइब करें। चैनल पर जाने के लिए इस लिंक पर क्लिक करें।